center point, is that what's marked?
Yes, he's got it marked all over there. Oh, here it is right there. Okay. Just slow down.
Put it to the center.
Yeah, give me a break. There we go. Just slipped right in.
Yeah. Do they come left and right, or they're both the
No.
same?
No, the same.
That would be a logistical nightmare.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Right there, right there. And he wants a little space in
Just
the
a
middle.
smidge. You can,
What you can
just like a little pencil
Designed to
bit.
be able to do that.
and we
Is
can
there
definitely
power down there? Is that what those magical hatches are for?
No.
no to get
I gotta put a plug strip somewhere, and I might just put it on top of that. Now the mattress will go.
Mattress ain't gonna go past
No,
the
it's not
frame.
gonna go past the frame.
Yeah.
So I could put the plug strip right on top of that wood. What do you want to call it?
And I have the bed back, so we know we're not going to go all the way underneath. I'm going to be a little bit shy.
How much does the mattress go over the tops?
Well, we're going to take.
Well,
You'll see. They're 9-inch mattresses, so we got them to go right underneath there.
Unless my tape is over there somewhere. Stanley?
That's all the way.
That's all the way.
All the way.
And you got 9.5, 10 inches. 9.5.
Perfect.
Okay, good.